back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my everyday flawless makeup routine for oily skin. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then definitely keep on watching. I'm going in with my Neutogena Rapid Clear 2-in-1 Fight and Fade toner. This helps fight breakout and also it fades the look of post-acne scars. Whatever you apply to your face, guys, you always want to apply also to your neck. I'm going in with the Chalet Lip Balm to moisturize my lips. For my primer and also to give my face an extra boost of radiance, I'm going in with my Santee moisturizing primer and also my Nuban Beauty The Glow liquid highlighter in the shade Aurora. I'm going to be mixing these two together. Like I said before, the Santee face primer is a very moisturizing primer because it's water based, and the Aurora is also a makeup moisturizer and it's also a glow. It's an all-in-one highlighter, so it can be mixed with your primer, or you can wear it alone or apply at the high points of your face for extra radiance. I went in with my Nuban Beauty Silly Spray to give me an extra layer of moisture. Now to mattify my face, I'm using my Zaron Oil Block Mattifier. This is an essential for oily skin. As they said here, it controls and absorbs oil and it's to be used in only areas where you get oily. So I'm going to be applying this to my T-zone. For my eyebrows, I'm using my Beige pencil in number 18. I'm going to use this to draw out the line, or rather I'm going to use this to draw out the shape and also fill in the areas where my hairs are sparse. To clean up my eyebrows, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige, and I'm going in with the Ceiling Angled Brush. I'm going in with the Ceiling Angled Brush to clean up the brows. Once I'm done cleaning up my brows, I'm going to move on to foundation. And for today's video, the foundation I'm using is my L'Oreal True Match Foundation in the shade Nut Brown or C7. Now I'm going to shake that up and apply that at the back of my hand. And I'm going with my Sealing Foundation brush to apply the foundation all over my face. The foundation has SPF 17 and also it claims to be oil free. But I've used this foundation more than twice now and I can say that it's definitely not oil free. That's why I'm going in for it today, because I don't want my face to be too matte. Moving on to concealer, I'm using my Nuban Beauty My Skin Concealer in the shade 043 and my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige for extra highlight. And I'm going to use my Damn Beauty Blender from Nuban Beauty to blend this out. Layer of setting spray to set the foundation and the concealer. Now I'm going to go in with my foundation brush to blend out the edges of the concealer to make sure everything is well blended out seamlessly. Moving on to cream contour, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Expresso. And I'm going to apply this using my G-Sub Fiber brush. I'm applying this on my cheekbones, my forehead and my jawline. blender to make sure that everything is well blended out seamlessly and that there are no harsh lines. To set the areas where I apply concealer, I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to use the beauty blender I used in blending out my concealer to apply the powder. My smile lines because that is the first area where my foundation will begin to break apart. So I'm going to bake beneath my cheekbone just because the foundation shade I use is slightly warmer than my skin tone. Set the areas where I applied the contour, I'm going in with my NYX Highlight and Conceal Pro palette, and I'm taking the darkest shade from the palette on a J-Sub powder brush. Set their eyebrows, and that is what I did today. So I'm just going in with my spoolie to dust off the excess powder I used in baking the brows. This will just ensure that my eyebrows last longer. Picking up the same shade I used in setting the areas I contoured on an angled brush, I'm going to contour my nose. First layer of setting spray, I'm going in with my NYX Matte Finish setting spray, and once this dries down, I'm going to go in with my Nuban Beauty series setting spray. For my highlighter, I'm going to be mixing two highlighting shades together. First, I'm taking the NYX Highlight and Pro palette, and I'm picking up the lighter shades from the palette on the J-Sub highlighter brush, and I'm going to apply this at the high points of my cheekbone. After that, I'm going to take my Colourpop MakeupShayla highlighter in the shade Pose and also apply this on the high point of my face. Guess what, guys? Never took the light, so I moved on to use natural lighting. Right now I'm using my Zaron Lengthening Mascara to apply on my lashes, and I'm going to apply a thin line of eyeliner using my quick black liner. Well, after this, the lights came back on, and then I moved back into using my ring light. It was supposed to be a thin line of eyeliner, guys, but one thing led to another, and this is where we are right now. So next, I'm picking up that lightest shade from the Highlight and Contour NYX Pro palette. I'm going to use this to highlight my brow bone and also the inner corners of my eye, and also the bridge of my nose. Next, moving on to my lips, I'm going to use the Colourpop BFF 3 lip pencil to line my lips and also fill it in. Now for my lip color, I'm going in with the Zaron XOXO lip gloss in the shade Cocoa to fill in my lips. I'm going to go in with a clear lip gloss from Colourpop and MakeupShayla in Neat Freak and apply on my lips. So guys, this is the completed makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this video and you learned a thing or two from it. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.